How to clean your Signia hearing aids. The first step, you can take an alcohol prep pad and you can just wipe down the dome or the part that goes in your ear. And you can do this daily, if not weekly. Next, what you'll want to do daily or weekly is if you look really close, the part that goes in your ear, you'll see a little mesh screen. And so you can take your fingernails and kind of almost pinch any wax that's gotten into that mesh screen out. You can also take your brush and brush that mesh screen to make sure there's no wax that's on the tip going into your ear. Now occasionally you may need to replace this dome, and the way that we do that is if you kind of peel this back, you want to see the junction between the dome and the speaker wire. You'll take your package of extra domes and you'll see a blue arrow, and right next to that blue arrow is a plastic little junction. If you insert this in between the dome and the speaker and pull like that, they'll come apart. So then you can throw your old dome away, pull a new dome out of your package, and it will just insert straight into that hole. But before we put the new dome on, we want to check your wax filter. That little white piece right there is a little filter that's going to capture any wax before it gets down inside of the speaker and damages the speaker. So what we'll do is take your wax filters. It opens up by spreading the two tabs, kind of like a coin purse. You'll take one of these sticks out of the package. On one end, you have a brand new wax filter. On the opposite end, you have, it's almost like a little screw. So when you take the black part and you're just going to screw it into your dirty filter, you have to screw it pretty hard. Use some force, you won't hurt it. Pull, and it'll pull that dirty wax filter out. You're going to flip over your stick and push the new filter straight in, and it'll just stay like that. And then throw your dirty stick away. So it's a one-time use. Now that this is all clean and you can wipe down the end if you see any wax, you can put your receiver back into your tip, and you push it pretty hard and you'll hear it click and you'll feel it click on. So that's never going to fall off in your ear, which is great. To clean the back part of the hearing aid, you can use the dry cloth to just wipe down the back part. Then you can take your brush and brush the microphones. So your microphones are these tiny little holes. There are two in the front and one in the back. And you just kind of want to brush all of this. You can't be too rough with it, so don't be afraid, you won't hurt it. On your on the brush, you'll see a little wire loop on one side. That's actually for a different style of hearing aid, so you won't need to worry about that loop. And that is how you clean your Signia hearing aids.